In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to upgrade your village to tier 9. This will get you these 2 new things: go forth and forage. NPCs in this village can forage resources from other biomes, woodcutters will also produce more wood types, and stonecutters will produce more stone types. Pretty cool. On top of this, we also unlock parts galore, in which we unlock 2 new rewards to build and decorate with. Rewarded for being the first village in this biome to reach this level. If we head across to upgrade village, you'll see that we've already reached our village rating. You can simply increase this by building quite literally anything in your town, whether it's log cabins, etc. Building these pre-built structures is probably the quickest way to upgrade your level. When you've eventually reached a high enough village level, we can get to collecting Flexwood from the dry valley area by simply destroying cactus with a green axe or above. We'll need 15 of these. I've already collected a ton in here, so I'll grab some and head back. Next up, we need to collect 15 obsidian. We can find this inside of lava caves. It's the dark purpley type rock on the wall. You'll need the max level pickaxe to pick it up, or rather maybe not max level, but the green pickaxe to pick it up, which you can find in the crafting level 3 table right over here. Make it with flexwood and sand claws. When you have this, head into the cave and pick up quite a few of these, as you'll need many of them for upgrades and future builds. Once you've collected enough, head all the way back to your base from wherever your desert biome is. In my case, it's really far away, and we'll be able to continue with the upgrade. The next thing is cut amber. Of course, we need to head back to the dry valley area and find amber, usually on top of mesa/rock formations, all the way high up. Once again, use your pickaxe of green variety in order to pick it up, and it'll be super quick. Eventually, when you have everything, you can return back to your base and process your amber into cut amber. Simply head across to a gem cutter machine, and inside of it, we'll need to select cut amber, change recipe, and put in a whole bunch of these. We need 10 of them in order to upgrade our village. So we'll wait for that to happen. We'll grab all the amber, head down, and now we can upgrade our village. Bam, we'll hit this. Now we're level 9. If we open up our buildings, head across to builds, you'll see the brand new Lonely Lodge here. Absolutely massive. On the building parts tab, we have supports that go into it, being beams. On the furniture tab, we have a new bed, as well as a new table. Lighting, these 2 lights over here. Storage, we have modern closets and dressers. And finally, decorations, we have new rugs here, wall decorations, and that's pretty much it for level 9. But at this point, we should be able to get resources from outside of this environment using these AI or NPCs. And finally, the last level here that we'll be getting to gives us another villager slot and once again an even bigger building. But anyways, that's really about it for this quick guide. Hopefully you found it useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.